Hello, welcome to the online or video class. This is Teacher Mel, and we are still in the Unit 6 about countries and food. So, to start our lesson, let's review the previous vocabulary. So, it's about food and its origin. Okay, so the vocabulary is about food. So the first one we have sushi. Sushi. And it is from Japan. Japan. The next we have croissant. Croissant. And it is from France. From France. Next we have pizza. Pizza. And it is from Italy. Italy. And we have burger. Burger, and it's from USA or Germany. Germany. Larb from Laos. Kimchi from Korea. Dim sum from China. And we have the noodle soup from Vietnam or China. Okay, so now let's have our lesson today. Our lesson today is about, before we do the lesson today, we have to do the words of the week. The words of the week are larb and city. Larb and city. Meaning, larb, it means a popular lauchen or Thai spicy diced meat, salad with ground chopped or minced meat and vegetables. A popular lauchen or Thai spicy diced meat, salad with ground chopped or minced meat and vegetables. While city, it is a large town. A large town. So I want you to look at these pictures. The first one is larb and the second one is the city. Okay, now our topic today is about Y ending words. Y ending words. The Y ending words has two sounds, the long I sound and the long E sound. Again, the Y ending words has two sound, the long I and the long E sound. The long I sound when the word is short and has the sound of I. So it has like this, I. So you will drop your jaw, I. Okay, so remember, the long I, it has the sound with I. Example, cry. So as you can see, my mouth, the lower lips will be dropping down. Cry. So it has cry. Okay, so it is short and has the sound of I. Cry. Okay, and the long E sound when the word is having two syllables or more and has the sound of E. Okay, E. So the long I, it has ah. So your mouth will drop this one. The lower your jaw or the lower lip will drop I. This time it's E. It will be from side to side. E. Okay, so example we have baby. Okay, baby. So it has to smile. Baby. Okay, it's not dropping your jaw. Okay, so let's have the list of words ending with Y. So we have the long I and the long E sound. So the first one we have cry, cry for the long I. And the long E we have baby, baby. Next, shy, shy. Happy, happy. Sky, sky. Sunny, sunny, sunny. My, my. City, city. Why, why. Very, very. Buy, buy. Only, only. Try, try. Cherry, cherry, cherry. Fly, fly. Funny, funny. Another, spy, spy. Italy, Italy, Italy. Fry, fry. Family, family. Sly, sly. Penny, penny. July, July. Money, money. Okay, you can see, so the long I, it has dropping your jaw. I. And the long E, it's E, E, like smiling. E, E. Understand? Now let's have our assessment. For the assessment, I want you to answer your workbook on page 90 to 91 for the pronunciation about words ending with Y. Remember, it has two sounds, the long I and the long E. Okay, so that is page 90 to 91. And for our workbook about food and countries, you will also answer page 88 to 89. So I want you to take a picture once you are done and send to our group line. Understand? Thank you so much for your cooperation. Happy New Year! Bye!